The nice man got us a cab. We went to wait for the cab. And we're waiting with these fishies over here. They're just watching us.
Yeah, good companions to wait with.
Yeah. So he said we'd have to wait about 15 minutes and then
Not bad at all.
we should be heading down.
Yeah.
This is the locker we just bought out to put our bag in to explore Tono for a little bit before we jump on the Shinkansen.
Yeah.
Yeah, the taxi ride was great.
Yeah.
Alright. I know we showed these little guys last when we were here.
Well, I can take pictures now. They're too dead.
Yeah, let's go over there.
Is this fine to walk down? I can't really tell what's
I wouldn't go down there, it looks like a pond. Yeah, look at these little guys. I like that they've got little snowy hairdos since the last time we were here. I'm assuming this is to represent Horse Girl.
Oh, I hadn't thought of that.
Yeah, not the Godfather.
I assumed it was a mom.
Look at that beautiful view.
I think
The mountains in the background. Beautiful.
sliding?
No. Beautiful view. Beautiful you. More
Aww.
beautiful view. Hey, you're getting in the way of the beautiful view.
Sorry. Chroma key me out.
Okay. Yeah, I'll do that.
Go tap a giant Jar Jar Binks over me.
I don't have to. Close enough look-alike.
Oh!
We're gonna walk around the Tono, actual town of Tono for a little bit.
Yep.
Hopefully find some little yokai statues and things.
Fingers crossed.
And we're on the hunt also for a Pokemon manhole.
Ooh.
Yeah. Other than that, not a whole lot of, things we have to do.
Yeah, just some last minute farewell Tono discoveries.
If we have time, we might go to the museum, but probably not. We'll see. Panda says, make sure to look both ways before you cross the street.
I think it's just a two-headed panda disagreeing with itself.
What? No. And the building over there that looks like a kappa. We're gonna go over there and take a look at it. Literally everything here is kappa themed, including the police station. I only have the GoPro so I can't zoom in, but there's a little tengu up in that tower. Bright red nose. Maybe we can take a zoomed in picture so you can actually see it. We may not have found the manhole, but we did find a place to collect all the stamps. It's pretty cute. If you're coming to Japan, make sure to bring a book to put your stamps in, or to get one.
Although you can see that they do provide a...
Paper?
Yeah.
It's nice to have them collected all in one spot.
True.
Exciting. So Tono is known for its hops it grows. So we're gonna buy some local brews, give them a try later. Oh, the cloudy sake.
Oh, there's also a wheat IPA.
Ooh.
Which are those?
Whatever.
I've already touched this
Yeah,
one.
yeah. I'm gonna go sit back down, but you should get those.
Okay. Is there anything else that...
No, we're good. Found some more kappa. And this guy over here. Put your face in it.
岩線に行ったおりの列車浜木行きが1両で到着となります。普通乗車口1番、2番でお待ちください。
Oh, here comes the train. I want to make sure this is okay, so I'm going to go over. Goodbye, Tono. We get to sit down on the train this time.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Marked improvement.
It was a commuter time last time, I think. Yeah.
The next station is Hayabasa. The doors on the left side will open. まもなく宮森、宮門です。お入り口は右側です。お降りの際は一番前の右側のドアボタン
So we're back at Shin. Oh, where is it? Oh dear. Where are we? Anyway, we just got tickets to jump on the... Oh, we didn't get tickets. We're going to go into a non-reserve car and take the train to Morioka, and then we have tickets on the only reserve car to go from Morioka all the way up to Hakodate. So yeah, we'll wait around here for probably like half an hour and then we'll head to Morioka. Well, stabilized. I wonder how stabilized it'll be given that I'm shaking because I'm so cold.
It's colder outside.
Yeah,
But
it's
yeah,
cold in
a
here too.
hot beverage on your fingers goes a long way. You wanted to talk to the camera?
Yeah. We're at Shin Hanamaki, which is the name of the station I couldn't remember earlier. I'm back. We just got tickets for the Shinkansen that goes underneath the water between Sapporo and Honshu? Is that the name of the other one? Anyway, the one that goes to Hakodate. But we're going to jump on a train here to take us to Morioka. And that's about 12 minutes, and then we'll switch over to the other Shinkansen. It's excited to go to Sapporo?
I am.
Yeah. It's our second Japanese island. So we need one that doesn't have reservation. Not sure which way that would be. Okay. Huh. Oh, here we go. Non-reserved is 1, 2, 3, and 12 to 17. Okay. We need to go in 1, 2, 3, or somewhere between 12 and 17. It says up here.
What up, internet? So if you're getting on a train and you see a sign like this, I believe it is telling you that when there are a 10-car train, so a train with 10 cars, that car 10 will pull up here. But we are on at least a 17 train car, so this will be car 15, and which falls within the parameters of cars that are non-reserved, which is
because we don't have tickets for this train.
Yeah.
But we have JR passes.
Yeah.
So hopefully this works out. We've never gotten a non-reserve before. Not on purpose, at least.
Yeah, some trains are only non-reserved.
Yeah.
So in those instances, we certainly have.
Yeah. So, yeah. It's going down here.
Yeah.
It looks empty, eh?
Yeah.
They say non-reserved. So nice and warm in here. We're on our way. Next up, little sister. Morioka.
On the train?
Oh, there's one here.
That's true, yeah. Missed opportunity. Yo, yo, yo! Next time.
Is it on the right? Oh, on our right.
Yeah.
Not the right of the train, the left
Yeah,
of the train.
the sign above you had arrows pointing this way. Here we go.
Welcome to Morioka.
Yeah.
I see a stamp.
Oh, dope.
Ready for a stamp?
Yeah, so stamp stuff. I know. A little faint.
But I pushed so hard. Tono horses.
Yeah, some sort of parade miniatures.
Festival, maybe?
Yeah, pretty neat. Like the ones with the drums and lanterns. It's pretty neat.
That's what we went to see yesterday.
Yeah, one of those L-shaped horses over here, people over there.
Yeah.
Big reveal.
There's another stamp too. We got one of them, so we gotta go get the other one. He's got a little tree. Do you want to leave this one?
Kamen Rider or something.
There's this guy. And over here, there's this little guy. It's nice and warm and clean. We found these heat lamps to warm ourselves up. It's pretty cold here in Morioka.
Yeah.
And then we bought ourselves some Suica cards to hopefully take the tram once we get to Hakodate.
Yeah.
So hopefully that works out.
We just got them at the counter of the Newsday, which
Yeah.
you'll see everywhere. They're the most common conveni-esque store in train stations.
And they're 200. No, they're 2,000 yen. But it seems like 15 of that is credit, so you're paying like a 500 yen card deposit, and then the rest of it is credit that you can use.
Yeah.
Hopefully, that's what the little piece of paper the lady gave us said.
Yeah.
So yeah, but we're
And
gonna
I
use them soon.
assume we'll just have those cards for like every time we
Yeah,
come back to Japan.
we'll keep them.
I don't think they expire
No.
or anything. You just always load them up.
Anyway, we'll catch you on the train.